Today we're gonna cook meatballs with carrots and peas. We will need 2 carrots, garlic powder, 400 grams of beef mince, parsley, wine, green peas, tomato, 2 pieces of garlic, 1 egg, salt, pepper, flour and olive oil. We're gonna mix the beef with the parsley, a small spoon of garlic powder, salt, pepper and the egg. Now we're gonna prepare the meatballs. We're gonna use the mix and it's so easy. We just need a spoon, we take some meat and we do it with the hands, like this. Now we have to mix the balls with a little bit of flour. We put some flour here and we just move the ball. The meatballs are ready, so we have to put them in a pan. In this pan, we're gonna cook the meatballs, so we need to put some olive oil in the pan and cook them 2 minutes each side. This is the final result of the meatball. When the garlic is ready, it's time to cut the carrots. So now we're gonna put the carrot the garlic, a little bit of olive oil and salt in the pot, and we're gonna wait 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we're gonna add the tomato. Mix everything and wait for minutes. Now we're gonna add the wine. And we have to wait 15 minutes. Now it's time to put the meatballs and the peas with the sauce. We have to mix everything and wait 8 minutes. This is the final result and it smells super good. It's time to eat. It smells so good. Mmm.